I'd like to introduce to you to the sound of my life, to the love of my life, my cello. Well, I had two other big loves in my life. They were dance and theater. And during 20 years, we were together, all the three of us. But 3 years ago, I realized that there was a love that was much stronger than the others. And of course, I decided to quit with everything else I was doing, even if I was not very prepared, because I'm not a former musician. And I decided to come here to Berlin to fulfill my dream of composing and playing my own music for electric cello, for cello. But I couldn't have done this, I couldn't have fulfilled this dream without another love of my life. Technology. When I was 25 years old, I had my first laptop. And suddenly I realized that I was like a small production company. I could edit pictures, videos, I could design my own website. Era la hostia, chaval. I did record my first CD at home and designed the cover, print it, I burned the CD, everything. It was so powerful. I could do everything by myself. I didn't need the companies. And technology has also been for me like a loudspeaker for many things that I wanted to say to the others, to the world, and has helped me to do it with many different voices.
Hello.
And not only has helped me to do it with many different voices, to speak to the world, it has also helped me to look to the world with many different eyes, from many different viewpoints. I could even say that it was love at first glance. But technology has also helped me to listen to the world in many different ways, to listen to the others, and of course, to listen to the music in a new way. And the most incredible thing, I had never expected this. I mean, because listening to the music in many different ways, it's amazing. But this has helped me to make music in a way that I had never expected. Thanks to this, I can do that. Thanks to technology, I could do Ecce cello. Ecce homo, Ecce cello. This is the sound of what I am. This is an electric cello. It's like a normal cello, but electric. And this is a smartphone. I didn't build myself the electric cello, nor the smartphone. I just put them together so I can record and loop live the sound of the cello. I can also add sound effects. I can do many things. I even take advantage of the motion sensors of the cello with the smartphone. I mean, the motion sensors of the smartphone. So if I move my cello to the left, or to the right, or to the front, then I can add different effects depending on where I put it. Or I can trigger a sample, or I could even control the lights of a theater via Wi-Fi, just with the movement of my cello. You know, I didn't have a musical education. So I don't know how to write a piece of music and give it to a string quartet. I couldn't expect them to play a piece for me, for my music. Then this daily life technology has provided me the possibility to do it. I have my own string quartet. I can do it on my own. And well, this is not only myself doing music with these devices. We are a growing community of people, a lot of people doing music with this. And we have a lovely and great relationship with developers of applications. I can have an idea today, right here, something that works, and I could write to Fabian or to Mark or to Michael Tyson. Michael, thank you for everything you've done for me and my music. And they will implement this idea for the next week. And I can have it here, my idea that came today. It's something fantastic. But of course, everything has its dark side. And technology has a very dark side. It's not only that we have today a meeting with Fabian, that we didn't see him for such a long time, Fabian, that we don't meet. And please, can you stop? I mean, most of you are right now with the phone, okay? Are you here, and now? What is that? That doesn't exist anymore. So Fabian, could you please stop sending messages or chatting with Facebook, whatever? We were going to talk about live about us. You remember me? Huh? I don't have Facebook. Okay, this is, and of course, when you eat something, you know where the ingredients come from. Here, we don't know where the ingredients come from. What does it take to build this? Okay, this is something wrong about technology, I think. But there is something even worse. I want to talk to you about David and Goliath. Well, just to remember the history, I suppose you all know and remember this history. David defeated Goliath, the giant, with a little piece of a stone. This is our little piece of a stone with which we can defeat giants today, our giants. Okay, but the problem here is that the giants themselves, they have provided this to us. The giants have given to us the stone. And giants, they like control. And giants, they don't like to be defeated. But who are the giants? Okay, there are many giants. Let me introduce to you just one of the giants, the president of Telefonica Germany.
And the smartphone is really becoming the remote control of your life.
But who controls the remote control, René?
So the opportunities are going to be incredible.
You talking to me?
Well, Telefonica has
Are you talking to me? Well, I'm the only one here.
created a new business called Telefonica Digital.
Either way, I don't give a damn.
It's a global organization that's run out of London.
Who the fuck do you think you're talking to? Oh, yeah?
It's a global organization
Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
that has got some fantastic new products and services.
Ormai non sentasi felice appieno.
So the opportunities are going to be fantastic, incredible.
You think you're smart, don't you?
Fantastic.
Won't you join me?
I love you. You belong to me.
No. People don't belong to people.
Smartphone is really becoming the remote control of your life.
But who controls the remote control? They want to control the remote control of our lives. Right now, they get such an amount of information from us, thanks to technology, to these devices, that they can use it to build the dream that we think it's our dream, okay? They can make us dream what they sell, so we buy it, and we think it's our dream, that we are fulfilling our dream. That is fake dream. We have to pursue for the right things, for our right and inner dreams. We have to fight for them and to suffer sometimes, the most of the times, to find them. But when you find the right dream, the right thing, then you are ready to suffer for it. It's okay. Who said we want to be happy every single moment of our lives? Who said that? I don't want to be happy every single moment, every single second of my week, of my month. I just couldn't stand it. So we are ready to suffer as long as we suffer for the right things, for the right dreams. I won't suffer for a fake dream. So I would tell to the giant, don't you dare to touch my sound, to touch my dreams. Wage es nicht meine Träume zu berühren. Alles klar? Ni se te ocurra tocar mi sueño porque cojo con el móvil y te meto en la boca. And now that we are speaking about dreams, I had a dream the other day. I dreamed it with, I like not a lot of light here, please. I dreamed it with Goliath. You know, he was seated on the floor and he was weeping because there was a small child close to him, and the child was chasing him, harassing him, saying, "Nobody loves you, Goliath, nobody loves you, Goliath." So Goliath, he looked at me, like asking with his eyes, "Do you love me?" And I told the giant, "I don't love you, Goliath." So now I'm going to record this sentence here. I don't love you, Goliath. Okay, and I will use it in this piece that I've composed for today. It's called Nobody Loves You, Goliath. Not even your mother. Poor Goliath. He's a giant that his pain is bigger than ours. I don't love you, Goliath. 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 soon.